Hey friends, and welcome back to the studio, and let's dive into our very first OpenAI GPT-3 and Flutter tutorial. First things first, what is OpenAI GPT-3? GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. It's a set of language generation models capable of completing tasks in form of generated human-like tasks. This set consists of 4 models: Text DaVinci 003, which is the most capable one; Text Curie 001, it's very capable as well and faster with a lower cost than DaVinci; Text Babbage 001, capable of straightforward tasks, very fast and lower with a lower cost; and Text Adder, which is simple but the fastest model among the 3. So the output is produced in form of a generated human-like text, is called the text completion. You can give it different types of tasks, for example, translation, summarization, content generation, and classification. OpenAI gives us an easy way to interact with a model using chatgpt-3, so you don't have to create a new project first for you to experience the engineering behind this model. There is also a playground that has the option to view code of the prompt you have created in different languages. Once you're satisfied with the prompt design you'll use, you can copy the code and add it to your project instead of writing from scratch. Also, OpenAI provides us with their 2 main official libraries, and also gives us community libraries that we can use for different languages. You also need to know that you can also fine-tune this model to give your own personal touch. Please head over to my Instagram, the link is down below, to understand more on some of the terminologies that I'll share that will be used in this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the basics of OpenAI GPT-3 and how to use it using a very simple caption generator app that we'll create. The card above or in the description below, I will share an episode that explains the best practices involved in prompt engineering. Please have a look after this. By the end of the course, you should be in a good place to be able to confidently interact with GPT-3 model to your own Flutter projects. I have created course files for every single lesson in this series. You'll find it here on OpenAI GPT-3 Flutter tutorial. I'll leave the link to this down below in the video. If you want to check out the code for a specific lesson, select a branch from the drop down. If you want to download the zip folder of a particular lesson, go to the code green button and download zip. So that's about it. I'll see you on the next one.